I can't even begin to describe how much I learned. It was awesome.
I'm Peter Norman with IKONICS Imaging. I'm the Director of Sales. IKONICS Imaging manufactures photoresist film for decorative sandblasting. We also manufacture the equipment, all the equipment that's needed for decorative sand carving.
I'm Chris Tennyson, Director of Sales of Trotec Laser. Trotec is the global leader in laser systems for cutting, marking, and engraving.
My name is JT Nelson. I'm a sublimation specialist with JDS Industries. And JDS Industries is a wholesale distributor of engravables, sublimation supplies, sign making equipment, sign making supplies.
So the concept of the seminar came from a few people from IKONICS, from JDS, and from Trotec. We got together and decided that it'd be a good idea to put on seminars that show the three decorating technologies, sandblasting, lasering, and sublimation.
We have a combination of classroom learning and hands-on. It starts out with more basic to intermediate, so it talks more to the folks who say, why would I use a laser? And then it progresses into, I have a laser, and here are some things that might make sense. What's the whole scope of what I can do with it? And then we move from the classroom style piece to more of a hands-on.
We wanted to see some new equipment to see if we can incorporate it with our manufacturing of our ADA signs.
For starters, like if you're starting a business or starting a company, you're able to learn a lot of stuff.
For every one thing I learned, I think I got at least 10 new ideas for ways I could apply that, and different like art things I could do and business things I can do. There's so many applications.
So at the event, we also have a networking dinner where everybody that attends the seminar, it's part of the registration fee. They get a free meal, a couple of drink tickets.
And it gives all the people here a chance from all different walks of life and all different businesses to come together, sit, have a meal, have a drink, and be able to share, what do I do in my business, what do you do with yours, and how do we share some of these ideas together.
The networking at the events is a great way to get to know your competitors who are also your friends. People who have the same experience as you but maybe could share some of that experience with you. And it's also a way for us to network with our customers and for them to put a name to a face.
There's nothing more important to us than helping our customers grow their business. This is a true partnership. So that's what this seminar does.
Companies like Trotec, like JDS, and like IKONICS provide phenomenal equipment, service, and just they're fine folks to do business with.